Hello friends, welcome to Tech World with Faisal channel. In this video you will watch NASA's Orion spacecraft launching and a landing back on Earth process that has completed after its 1.4 million miles or 2.3 million kilometer journey around the moon and back again. NASA's Orion spacecraft splashed down in the Pacific Ocean west of Baja California at 9:40 a.m. After a record-breaking mission, traveling more than 1.4 million miles on a path around the moon and returning safely to Earth, completing the Artemis I flight test. Splashdown is the final milestone of the Artemis I mission that began with a successful lift of NASA's Space Launch System rocket number 16 from Launch Pad 39B at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Over the course of 25.5 days, NASA tested Orion in the harsh environment of deep space before flying astronauts on Artemis II. The splashdown of the Orion spacecraft, which occurred 50 years to the day of the Apollo 17 moon landing, is a crowning achievement of Artemis I. From the launch of the world's most powerful rocket to the exceptional journey around the moon and back to Earth, this flight test is a major step forward in the Artemis generation of lunar exploration, said NASA's Administrator Bill Nelson. During the mission, Orion performed 2 lunar flybys coming within 80 miles of lunar surface. At its farthest distance during the mission, Orion traveled nearly 270,000 from our home planet, more than 1,000 times farther than where the International Space Station orbits Earth. 2 internationally stressed systems before flying crew. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more.